Hi Vidushi, I know this is their last day in cash operations in APAC team. We'll definitely miss you. We'll miss the best, the way you have taken up the process, the way you have delivered the things, whatever is required. Being as a manager or as your boss, I definitely admired you like anything. And be in touch. All the best for your future. Thank you.
Intellectual talks, what not we had, and I really enjoyed that phase talking with you, knowing you more, and I found you very simple girl, very easy to gel with girl, and I don't.
Hello, Vidushi. Managing so many teams at a time, it's not very easy, but you did it really very well. It was a great experience working with you. I wish you all the very best for your future. Stay blessed, stay happy, keep in touch. Bye.
Hey Vidushi, wish you very best of luck for the next step in your career.
When you close your eyes on your way, let me just say, God will always listen.
Hi Vidushi, Lata this side. As we all know, you are leaving us, so wishing you happiness, success, and growth as you begin a new chapter in your life. So, all the very best.
Hello Vidushi, so definitely we'll miss you. All the very best for your future endeavors and hope to see you soon. And you are true UCS. I hope you know the meaning of UCS. Take care. See you soon. All the very best.
So, Vidushi, when you're going to change team, I really want to admit this thing that you have been a very good support to me from past 3 years, and I will gonna miss you. All the best for your future. Bye.
जान पे भी खेलेंगे तेरे लिए मेरे सबसे दुश्मनी तो सपने नहीं तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे.
Hello Vidushi ma'am, thank you so much for everything. You are so supportive, so cooperative, and I'm thankful to you that I was under you because you helped me a lot. बहुत बुरा लग रहा है हमको छोड़ के जा रहे हो, वो भी इतनी दूर, but okay. All the best for your further future and stay happy, stay blessed, and be safe, but stay same the way you are. We love you. Bye. Thank you.
हाय विदुषी, क्या बोले, आप जा रहे हो यार, बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, बट खुशी भी है कि एटलीस्ट आप अच्छी जगह जा रहे हैं ऑल. सो बस इतना ही है. बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर फ्यूचर एंड ऑल द बेस्ट. बट पीछा हम आपका कभी नहीं छोड़ने वाले. सो
I will miss you.
Wish you a very good luck, Vidushi. It's a very pleasure to working with you, and we will remember in our good thoughts and memories, and stay connected with us in future.
तू ही सफर, तू रास्ता, तू ही कारवां, कैसे चलूं मैं तेरे बिना. जरा सी दोस्ती कर ले, जरा सा हम नशी बन जा, जरा सा साथ दे बस फिर चाहे अजनबी बन जा.
Hello Vidushi, all the very very best for your future, and I really want to say it's a wonderful experience working with you, and I will really miss your presence, and good luck for your great beginnings. Thank you.
Hi Vidushi, you are one of the very sweetest person I know, and thank you so much for always being very supportive all the times and listening to me whenever it was needed. This is one of the very special quality which anybody could have. Thank you so much for taking to the imaginary text we did together. Hopefully maybe we can plan something. And many congratulations for the very beautiful start, and we'll be missing you a lot. Thank you, very good luck, will be missed.
मस्ती की बाहों में बीते हुए दिन, आवारा राहों में बीते हुए दिन ना भूलेंगे ये बीते दिन.
हाय विदुषी, फ्यू लाइंस फॉर यू. क्यों आते हैं फिर जाते हैं, बनके मीठी याद वो दिलों पे हक जमाते हैं. कुछ कर गुजरने घर से यूं निकल गए, जिंदगी के पुराने पलने पल भर में बदल गए. I will really miss you a lot because the bond we shared, the things we shared, that was superb. The moments were superb, and I love you and I will miss you. All the best.
Hi Vidushi Masi, all the best for your future.
Hi Vidushi, very all the best, and I really miss your advices and our time which we spent together by having lunch and breakfasts with you. All the best for the future.
Best of luck Vidushi for your new journey. I've learned a lot from you and working with you. It was pleasure to working with you. So thank you so much for your support and help. So best of luck. Thank you. Bye.
Hi Vidushi, all the best for your future, and it has been great working with you, and always be thankful for your guidance and the support. I've learned so many things from you, and best of luck and be happy. Thank you.
आँखों में तेरी दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं, चाहत में तेरी अब दिन गुजरते नहीं, रातें कटती नहीं, तेरी तस्वीर से बात बनती नहीं हो. आजा. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Vidushi, hope you're doing well. I'm shocked when I came to know that you are moving from Cash and found a new role where you will explore new opportunities and new challenges. I've learned many things from you. You were not only a manager but a friend and a mentor.
हंसते गाते जहाँ से गुजर, दुनिया की तू परवाह न कर, मुस्कुराते हुए दिन बिताना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना.